Steps in multiplying mixed numbers. Mixed number, ito yung whole number na may kasamang fraction. Example, 2 and 1/2 times 1 and 2/3. Step 1, change to improper fraction. Meaning, itong mixed number, kailangan natin siyang gawing improper fraction bago natin i-times dito. So, paano? 2 times 2 plus 1. The answer is 5. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. And then, kopyahin lang natin yung denominator. 2. 2. From mixed number to improper fraction. Proceed na tayo dun sa isa. Ganun din. 3 times 1 plus 2. 5. Bakit? 3 times 1, 3. Plus 2, 5. And then, kopyahin natin yung denominator, yung 3. Yun, oh. And then, proceed na tayo sa step 2. Multiply the numerators. Ito at ito. 5 times 5, 25. And then, step 3, multiply the denominators. 2 times 3, 6. Paano yan? Malaki ang numerator kaysa sa denominator. Papasok ang step 4. Simplify to mix. Kailangan nating i-divide. Sa nalilito, itong numerator ang nasa loob at itong denominator ang nasa labas. 25 divided by 6. 4. 4 times 6, 24. 24. And then 25 minus 24, 1. The answer is 4. 4 and 1, 6. Yun, oh.